Today we're going to be talking about 3 options TC Communications can provide for replacing channel banks. Channel banks, while widely used, now suffer from obsolescence and lack of support as many manufacturers have exited the market. TC Communications' range of products are the perfect solution for replacing channel banks, whether it be with an IP solution using our JumboSwitch or a T1 solution with our JumboBank or mini channel bank. TC Communications has a variety of interface options which are carried over modern transport networks. We're going to be focusing on T1 using our JumboBank and mini channel bank, and Ethernet IP using our JumboSwitch. Let's talk about migrating to an Ethernet network. Many of our clients have an Ethernet network where they would like to move their existing channel bank interfaces onto. For this, we would use our JumboSwitch product family. The JumboSwitch provides a modern Ethernet network solution, impressive flexibility, and multiple interface cards that can be housed in multiple chassis. Chassis options include a standalone, a 2-card standalone, or rack-mountable 1U, 2U, or 4U card cages depending on what your network requires. The JumboSwitch is a mission-critical solution with the industry's widest range of interfaces supported. Let's take a look at an application example of how the JumboSwitch can replace channel banks. We have 3 sites, each with interfaces connected. An interface signal is received at one site and can come out at another port at another site depending on how it was configured. Interfaces on one site can be routed to a port at any other site simply and easily using IP addressing. Ports on any card may be routed to any other similar card in the network, making this the most flexible solution on the market. Let's say you would rather replace the channel banks you have with a modern alternative, but still want to use your existing network. We have 2 main options. For complete channel bank solutions, we would use the JumboBank. There is a 5U rack and a 1U rack option. Our 5U rack can hold up to 8 interface cards and hold 2 fully redundant T1 cards for primary and secondary redundancy, and the 1U can hold 2 interface cards. This diagram illustrates how the JumboBank works. We have a central site with a populated 5U rack and 3 remote sites with a 1U with 2 interface cards at each site connected with T1. We have serial going from the central site to substation 1 and 3, 4-wire E&M from the central site to substation 2 and 3, and FXS from the central site to substation 1 and 2, all of which are going across T1. As previously mentioned, the T1 is optionally redundant. There is a primary and secondary T1 card with the 5U. If the primary fails, the secondary will continue without any disruption to the network. The JumboBank is also capable of converting each card into a DS0 within one or multiple T1s, as shown here. For smaller channel counts, the 1U can also be used. In addition to the 5U and the 1U, you can also use a standalone chassis with a single interface card. Our 3rd channel bank replacement option we'd like to discuss is our mini channel bank. The purpose of the mini channel bank is for solutions with a lower density of interfaces. This is typically used with a standalone unit with 1 to 4 interfaces, as shown here. Let's look at some application examples with the mini channel bank. There are 2 modes of operation. Here is a single channel radio connected over T1 to a centrally located voder. This is a bookended solution with the unit at both ends. However, this also can operate as a classical channel bank, taking the 4-wire E&M from the radio and simply putting it onto the T1. Let's talk about the features of the JumboSwitch, JumboBank, and mini channel bank. All 3 of these product families operate with mission-critical requirements. Fully solid state with no moving parts, redundant load-sharing power supplies, hot-swappable and pre-configured cards across the board, which means the system will remain running if there needs to be a replacement, and none of the other cards will be disturbed. And then, of course, as with all TC Communications products, an extended temperature range of -40 to 80 degrees Celsius. To learn more about these impressive product lines, please take a look at our product matrix. The left column displays our JumboSwitch interfaces, and the center column displays our Mini Channel Bank and JumboBank interfaces. Also, feel free to visit our website at tccom.com. Information about the JumboSwitch, Mini Channel Bank, and JumboBank are found under the first 3 links under the product's drop-down menu. And feel free to get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us in the top right corner. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.